Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and advice for a healthier lifestyle. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important: memory loss. Memory is a crucial part of our daily lives, and maintaining a sharp mind is essential for overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore 5 effective ways to stop memory loss. Before we get into the solutions, it's important to understand what memory loss is and what causes it. Memory loss can be a normal part of aging, but it can also result from various factors such as stress, lack of sleep, poor nutrition, and even certain medical conditions. Identifying the root cause is the first step towards addressing it. Now, let's explore 5 ways to stop memory loss and keep your brain healthy and sharp. Stay physically active. Physical activity isn't just good for your body, it's great for your brain too. Regular exercise boosts blood flow to the brain and encourages the growth of new brain cells. Here's how you can incorporate physical activity into your routine. Step 1. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. This can include activities like walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling. Step 2. Include strength training exercises at least twice a week to enhance overall health and cognitive function. Step 3. Don't forget about flexibility and balance exercises, such as yoga or Tai Chi, which can also benefit brain health. Studies have shown that people who are physically active have a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. So lace up your sneakers and get moving. Maintain a healthy diet. What you eat can significantly impact your brain health. A nutritious diet provides the essential vitamins and minerals that your brain needs to function properly. Eat a brain-healthy diet. Step 1. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. The Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes fish, olive oil, nuts, and green leafy vegetables, is particularly beneficial. Step 2. Include omega-3 fatty acids in your diet, which are found in fatty fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3s are known to support brain health. Step 3. Avoid excessive consumption of sugar and saturated fats, which can negatively impact brain function. Eating a balanced diet helps reduce the risk of cognitive decline and keeps your brain functioning at its best. Consider adding brain-boosting foods like blueberries, turmeric, and green tea to your meals. Engage in mental exercises. Just like your body needs physical exercise, your brain needs mental exercises to stay sharp. Engaging in mentally stimulating activities can help build new neural connections and improve cognitive function. Stimulate your brain. Step 1. Challenge your brain with puzzles, crosswords, and brain games. These activities can help improve memory and cognitive skills. Step 2. Learn something new, such as a language, musical instrument, or a new hobby. Learning new skills stimulates different parts of your brain. Read regularly. Books, articles, and other reading materials can expose you to new ideas and concepts, keeping your mind engaged. Mental exercises help keep your brain in top shape and can delay the onset of memory problems. Make it a habit to engage in activities that challenge and stimulate your mind. Get adequate sleep. Sleep is essential for consolidating memories and maintaining cognitive function. Poor sleep can significantly impact your ability to remember and process information. Prioritize quality sleep. Step 1. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night. Consistent, high-quality sleep is crucial for brain health. Step 2. Establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, even on weekends. Step 3. Create a sleep-friendly environment by keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid screens and caffeine before bedtime. Quality sleep helps your brain process and store memories more effectively. If you're having trouble sleeping, try relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or a warm bath before bed. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can take a toll on your brain and contribute to memory loss. Managing stress effectively is crucial for maintaining cognitive health. Reduce stress by Step 1. Practice mindfulness and meditation. These techniques can help reduce stress and improve focus and concentration. Step 2. Stay socially connected. Engaging with friends and family can provide emotional support and reduce stress levels. Also, consider hobbies and activities that you enjoy to unwind and relax. Managing stress is vital for protecting your brain health. Find stress-relieving activities that work for you and make them a regular part of your routine. Now that we've covered these 5 ways to stop memory loss, let's put it all together. Here are some practical steps you can take to incorporate these strategies into your daily life. Create a balanced routine. Combine physical and mental exercises in your daily schedule. For example, go for a morning jog and solve a puzzle in the evening. Plan your meals ahead to ensure you're eating a brain-healthy diet. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 rich foods in your diet. Set realistic goals. Start with small, achievable goals, such as adding an extra serving of vegetables to your meals or doing a 10-minute meditation each day. Gradually increase your activities as you become more comfortable and consistent. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to track your physical activity, diet, sleep patterns, and mental exercises. Reflect on your progress regularly and adjust your routine as needed to keep improving. Seek professional help when needed. If you're struggling with memory loss despite these efforts, consider consulting a healthcare professional. They can help identify any underlying issues and provide additional strategies and support. Implementing these strategies may take some time and effort, but the benefits for your memory and overall brain health are well worth it. Remember, the key is consistency and making these habits a regular part of your life. And there you have it, folks. 5 effective ways to stop memory loss and keep your brain healthy and sharp. By staying physically active, eating a nutritious diet, engaging in mental exercises, getting adequate sleep, and managing stress, you can take control of your cognitive health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health, wellness, and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.